January is the month when the government formulates the annual budget for the next financial year. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present her 5th Union Budget on the 1st of February for FY24. In her speech, she will announce the allocation of funds for various schemes and jobs like National Health Mission, National Education Mission, PM Kisan Scheme, etc. Now one may ask from where the government gets all the money to spend on subsidies, various schemes and sectoral growth. Hi, I am Monika Yadav, and in this video I will tell you from where the government receives all the funds and how it spends on various schemes and activities. Now let's get started. The main source of government's revenue is through taxation, like corporate tax, personal income tax, GST, union excise duties, customs, service tax, wealth tax, and taxes on union territories. Also, the government earns non-tax revenue through its businesses and other activities. Government runs various national banks like SBI, PNB, central public sector enterprises like ONGC, BPCL, SAIL, etc. From its business enterprises, it generates profits and dividends. Meanwhile, it also invests in other businesses from where it gets dividend. It also earns interest and loans and advances it extends to states, local governments, and private enterprises. In addition, it also collects fees and fines through its services like healthcare, education, legal services, etc. The government also gets external grants, gifts, and donations from other countries and international organizations. Do you know that the center has to share 41% of its tax revenue with the states? The center doesn't keep all the revenue with itself. It has to share its tax revenue with the states as per the Finance Commission. Now the government also gets capital receipts, which include loans, disinvestment proceeds, and loan recoveries, etc. Let's now move to the expenditure part, which can be divided into revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Now, the government spends its money on day-to-day expenses like pension and salaries of government employees, interest payments on various loans it has taken, other and administrative expenses, defense-related expenditure. It also spends on subsidies on food, fertilizer, and petroleum. All these expenses, along with the grants to states, come under revenue expenditure. Now, capital expenditure is that part of the government spending which goes into the creation of assets like schools, colleges, hospitals, roads, bridges, dams, railway lines, airports, and seaports. It also covers purchase of plant and machinery and investment which will yield profits and dividend in the future. In addition, loans given to the states, United Territories also fall under the capital expenditure category. Now, on the basis of the estimates of these income and expenditure, the government makes its budget plan for the next financial year. With that, it's a wrap on the explainer on government's budget plan. Do tell us about the video in the comment section, and also for more such topics, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be back with more. Till then, take care and goodbye.